Explore the world of automotive innovation with 11 amazing car gadgets you can buy on Amazon. From cutting-edge tech to practical accessories, this curated list showcases must-have gadgets that elevate your driving experience. Discover the latest in car technology and accessories that bring convenience, safety, and entertainment to your journey. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and I am super excited to have you here with us today. If you're new to the channel, a big warm welcome to you. Now, for all our amazing returning viewers, you guys are awesome. Thank you for your continued support. Today, we've got something really special lined up, so grab your snacks, get comfy, and let us dive right in. ShackFlow Car Power Inverter. The ShackFlow Car Power Inverter is a cutting-edge device designed to transform your vehicle into a mobile power hub. With its advanced technology, it efficiently converts your car's DC power into AC power, allowing you to charge and operate a variety of electronic devices on the go. Boasting a sleek and compact design, it easily plugs into your car's power outlet, ensuring convenience and portability. The inverter features multiple power outlets, USB ports, and a reliable cooling system to prevent overheating during extended use. Whether you are on a road trip, camping, or just need power on the move, the ShackFlow Car Power Inverter provides a reliable and versatile solution for all your electronic power needs. Racebox. Racebox is a sophisticated performance data logger and analyzer designed for automotive enthusiasts and professionals alike. This compact device seamlessly integrates with your vehicle, capturing a wealth of real-time data such as acceleration, braking, speed, RPM, and more. Its user-friendly interface and mobile app allow for easy monitoring and analysis of your vehicle's performance, enabling drivers to optimize their driving techniques and fine-tune their vehicle setups. With GPS tracking and intuitive data visualization, Racebox is an invaluable tool for racers, track day enthusiasts, and car tuners seeking to enhance their driving experience and maximize their vehicle's potential on the road or track. X5 Car Charger. The X5 Car Charger is a state-of-the-art automotive accessory designed for efficiency and convenience. Featuring multiple USB ports and cutting-edge technology, it provides rapid and simultaneous charging for multiple devices within your vehicle. The sleek and compact design seamlessly fit in your car's power outlet, minimizing clutter. With advanced safety features such as overcurrent protection and short-circuit prevention, the X5 Car Charger ensures the safety of your devices while charging. Its intelligent charging capabilities adapt to various devices, delivering optimal power for faster and more efficient charging. Upgrade your in-car charging experience with X5 Car Charger, offering speed, versatility, and safety on the road. Car Dry Cleaning Gun. The Car Dry Cleaning Gun is a revolutionary tool designed for efficient and thorough interior cleaning of vehicles. Utilizing advanced technology, this handheld device generates powerful bursts of compressed air mixed with cleaning agents, effectively removing dirt, dust, and debris, vents, and crevices without causing damage. Its ergonomic design and lightweight construction make it user-friendly, allowing for easy maneuverability during the cleaning process. The Car Dry Cleaning Gun is an essential accessory for automotive detailing, ensuring a professional and meticulous cleaning experience while preserving the integrity of your vehicle's interior. Ring Car Cam. The Ring Car Cam is a cutting-edge in-car security and monitoring system, providing advanced features for enhanced safety on the road. With its high-definition camera, it captures clear video footage both inside and outside the vehicle, offering protection against accidents, theft, and vandalism. Equipped with collision detection and emergency response features, the Ring Car Cam can automatically alert emergency services in the event of a crash. Its built-in sensors and tamper-proof design ensure reliable performance, while the mobile app allows users to remotely view and manage footage. The Ring Car Cam is a comprehensive solution for peace of mind and accountability on the road. Hey, if you're enjoying the content so far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribing not only keeps you updated on all our latest videos, but also let us know if you are a part of this awesome community. We've got a lot more exciting stuff coming up, and I'd love for you to be part of it. So, hit that subscribe button below, give us a thumbs up if you are liking what you see, and let us keep this journey going together. Thanks for being here with us. R2D2 USB Car Charger. The R2-D2 USB car charger is a delightful and functional accessory for Star Wars fans and tech enthusiasts. Shaped like the iconic astromech droid R2-D2 from the Star Wars universe, this car charger brings a touch of whimsy to your vehicle's interior. Featuring 2 USB ports, it efficiently charges multiple devices simultaneously. With a 2.1 ampere output, the LED lights mimic R2-D2's signature details, adding a playful element to the charging process. Compact and easy to install, this USB charger is not only a practical charging solution but also a fun and visually appealing addition to any car's dashboard. Roboki 2.0 Alexa. Roboki 2.0 Alexa is a cutting-edge car accessory that seamlessly integrates voice-activated artificial intelligence into your driving experience. This innovative device combines the functionality of a car charger, phone mount, and smart assistant. With built-in Amazon Alexa, users can control various smart home devices, check the weather, play music, and more, all with simple voice commands. The device also features wireless charging capabilities, ensuring a convenient and clutter-free experience. Its sleek design and adjustable arm make it compatible with various phone sizes, while the intelligent sensor technology ensures a secure grip. Roboki 2.0 Alexa transforms your car into a connected and intelligent space. Trucky GPS Tracker. The Trucky GPS Tracker is a compact and versatile device designed for real-time tracking of people, pets, vehicles, and valuable items. Equipped with advanced GPS technology, it offers precise location tracking with customizable intervals. Its small form factor allows discrete placement, while robust features include geofencing, speed alerts, and historical route tracking. The Trucky mobile app provides intuitive control and notifications, ensuring you stay connected to your truck assets from anywhere. With long battery life and optimal accessories like magnetic cases, the Trucky GPS Tracker is an indispensable tool for monitoring and safeguarding your belongings, offering peace of mind in various tracking scenarios. E-Big Boy Blower. The E-Big Boy Blower is a powerful and versatile automotive detailing tool designed to simplify and enhance the cleaning process. This high-performance blower efficiently removes water, dust, and debris from car surfaces, including intricate areas that towels or brushes may miss. Its adjustable speed settings allow for precision, preventing potential damage to sensitive components. The ergonomic design, coupled with a lightweight build, ensures user comfort during extended use. With a long-reaching nozzle and robust motor, the E-Big Boy Blower is an essential accessory for car enthusiasts and professional detailers alike, providing a quick and efficient solution for achieving a spotless and dry vehicle finish. Escort Max 360C Mark II Laser Radar. The Escort Max 360C Mark II Laser Radar is a top-tier device designed to provide unparalleled protection against speeding tickets. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, it features 360-degree radar and laser detection, ensuring comprehensive coverage for all potential threats. The MK2 version builds upon its predecessor, introducing enhanced filtering capabilities for fewer false alerts and improved range performance. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, this radar detector allows for real-time updates and access to the Escort Live app, providing a community-driven approach to threat detection. Its sleek design, intuitive controls, and intelligent features make the Escort Max 360 Mark II a must-have for drivers seeking advanced radar detection and real-time threat awareness. Headway. Headway is a cutting-edge automotive accessory designed to enhance driving safety and convenience. Known for its heads-up display or HUD technology, Headway projects crucial information such as navigation directions and vehicle speed onto the windshield, ensuring drivers keep their eyes on the road. The device utilizes a transparent display that appears seamlessly in the driver's line of sight, eliminating the need to glance down at traditional dashboards. Compatible with various navigation apps, Headway offers real-time directions without distracting drivers. Its compact design, coupled with user-friendly interfaces and customizable settings, makes Headway an essential tool for a safer and more connected driving experience. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us as much as we enjoyed creating this content for you. Before we say goodbye, can you share your thoughts in the comments below? Your feedback means the world to us. Thank you so much for spending your time with us. Until next time, take care, stay awesome, and we will catch you in the next video. Bye for now.